some chores done. Back to the streaming library. Um, yeah, this isn't really gonna be. This is gonna be as a service. Gonna be put in a service. Maybe I should start with that. Let's see. I can check if I'm streaming Twitch. Oh, I forgot to check it. Oh, I forgot to check it while I wasn't streaming. Uh, that's okay. I'll do that after this, maybe. And basically, I'm gonna want to do the same thing for YouTube. I'll start on the YouTube streaming widget. Let's check out the current stream YouTube. This one. There was just something like this. Looks bad to get around. This YouTube APIs can be used. The number of free API calls are limited. Yes. Web scraping is what I plan on doing. So this is going to tell me how to get that, I imagine. Check if the YouTube channel is live. In either of these cases, the video would show up first in the channel. No page source would have it. The video would show up first in the channel and the web page source would have a text. Text. Space watching. Yeah, interesting. This would help obtain the current streaming video. Oh, I could have it show most recent YouTube video. When not streaming. Jesus, I hate PHP. Do you put two P's in? Oh no, I guess he fixed it. Okay. Where's the search string? There we go. So, I'm gonna do the same thing I did for Twitch. Go into Amplify, int functions, streamer. New folder will be YouTube is streaming. I will copy these and paste them in here. Go to, well, the resource first. That just looks wrong. I see it spelled out somewhere. Yeah, got a capital T. Looks fine. Wait. YouTube. Take those, come over here. YouTube. 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 Uh, Sorry, I'm just being picky. There we go. Save that. I'm gonna want to come over to Twitch, Mint, Twitch is streaming. Save that, come back here. I definitely copied over the search string. And for now, to make that true for now. Oh. Didn't really need to do that. This will be fine. I'll log the index and see if that is there. Well, no, because I'm not streaming on YouTube. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna search for that, because I bet it won't give me the value watching. Let's see if we can get that. This looks fine. I need to define that. Okay. We'll do that. We'll go to data resource. Admin YouTube is streaming. Ooh. Not gonna do it for me? Dumbass. I do want that. Okay, and then these are both gonna get title. Ah. Not required though. Need that. This is fun. I think I'm gonna define these guys. I don't know if that would go in an Angular library. If I can just do that, that would be very easy. That would be very nice. I'm gonna try it. Good here. /channel. Yeah, that goes to nowhere. So get /channel. Let's save that. I need to add it to the back end. No. I guess I should start working on the widget. I'm sure these are both going to be just the same for now. That'll be fine because I'm going to there. Let's put these guys side by side. I don't need this for now. Yes, need to extend the generic widget. Gonna copy all of it, and then I will delete what I do not need. I do not need that. I should just create this service. But youtube.com/embed/livestream question mark. Okay. Gonna have to add autoplay and muted. Okay. Ah. It's this large ass text I'm doing for stream. Just do. Looks pretty fine. I would like this to be up here. This is getting to be a long line, so we spread it out. This one's pretty long too, but it's just long string. Maybe it doesn't need to be this way. In fact, I know it doesn't. Give me that ampersand. Let's go in here. This is going last. Yeah. This should be fine. That is fine. Get back to the terminal. Well, let me first go to the app. Make sure that YouTube streamer is in here. And now it can take that, but first I have to build the libraries. How many libraries am I gonna have by the end of this? Very nice. Go to serve. Wait for this to load again. Beautiful. I've recently discovered that all of my YouTube playlists have, well, most of my YouTube playlists have duplicates, many duplicates. So soon I'm gonna do a coding with Sam where I write a app script to remove duplicates from my YouTube playlist. And I'll probably also write one to automate scheduling and naming videos. And that sounds like fun and interesting content. Did I hear my cat? Nope. Alright, we got the Twitch embed here. I got the menu bug. So this time it didn't run the destroy function. Didn't run the destroy function. And that's why this is double event. Double evented. I don't know, when I click on this, it's like it's opening and then closing before it can even transition the menu in. I'm really hoping this is just a Vite issue. With its fancy reloading. I need to publish this and see if I can get it to happen live. But until then, when I reload it, now you get this npm destroy. Okay. That's very annoying. Just change this to YouTube. Save. Come back home. Ooh. Requires arguments ID. What's going on? Did I use slug? Yeah, ID. Oh. ID is at apartment. Oh no, it's saying the function requires the argument of ID, which means, wait, why is this? Ah, yes, I never saved that. Let's check back on here. This video is unavailable. That is because I am not currently streaming. But this is what I want. And this YouTube is streaming. YouTube index is 511757. That means that it did find the string that I was searching for. And I would like to go back. Ah, damn it. And like I did before, I'm just gonna make substring equals text.substring index minus 250. Make that plus 250. That's YouTube index, YouTube substring. And we'll save that, get it all to reload. And check out what the value of this is when I'm not streaming. And then I'll have to check it out when I am streaming, but I don't know if this video can remain the same because, you know, right now I'm streaming on OBS. I guess I could stream on YouTube with my phone. That doesn't sound too appealing to me. I guess I don't really have any YouTube subscribers, so nobody's actually gonna see it. Give this guy a reload. What you got over here, guy? Okay. YouTube substring. Index now for almost still around 500,000 is the index. I forgot to loop the music. Text. This is the one it found. Space videos, navigation endpoint. Let's see. Head back here. Text space watching. That answer only has one upvote. What I think I should just do is come here, go ahead and view the page source. Oh, beautiful. And I'm sure I'm gonna find something in here. When I'm streaming. Hmm. Maybe I'll just do it. that's definitely not going to be helpful to search for watching. Well, I guess if you're looking for hmm, so the second one seems to say that there will be a canonical tag in the on the page. Well, it says slash live. Oh, that's just a live tab. Yeah, that makes sense. Now inspect, give me the page source. Yeah, okay. So, what do we have here? And metadata, tabs, contents, as decorated, true. Let's see. Web page type channel. And the canonical is the YouTube channel. Yeah, okay, so the canonical is definitely my user account if I'm not live. Just where I stop streaming on Twitch and start streaming on YouTube for a little bit. this. Okay, I'm just gonna trust this guy. But I wonder if I can also get the stream title. I'm gonna have to stream. Okay, so there is something I want to do first to Twitch is streaming. Arguments.title. Title string. Question mark. Is that cool? Yeah. Grab the stream title. Stream info. Sorry, I can't repeat myself that much. Stream graph equals that. There we go. Stream title equals stream graph dot description. Okay. Return title I don't want to make this convoluted. Okay, so if there is a title, I want to return maybe I'll do if is streaming else, well, it'll fall through and then return false. If title return stream title 2 lowercase dot includes title dot 2 lowercase. And return true. Okay, so if we're streaming, if we were given a title, if the title includes that, return true if it includes it, false otherwise. If it is streaming and not that, then just return true. Otherwise, fall through and just return false. So this way, I can set it up to only include coding with Sam on my website, so that I don't have, people coming to check out my company for programming things, and then they see like me playing video games and shit. Don't want that. So this looks pretty good. Gonna let this deploy. I think I like the canonical tag solution, especially because you know the canonical tag is going to be in the head tag, which means I can just only request the head tag, which I should also do for this. So while we're waiting for that to build, let's check out fetch. Would I do it by setting headers? Okay, so let's do this fetch only head. I only want head. Get off, leave it. I gotta go let my cat in real quick. I'll be right. Okay. What was I doing? Right. Let's go back to the Twitch widget. The put back in the test. I wanted to put it up top, guy. And we will get this to rebuild. Well, not rebuild all of them. ng build ngx streamer. And I use npx because I don't install Angular globally. Maybe I do sometimes, but I don't. Like, I'm gonna use the version of Angular that came with the project. Bonus tomato. What's up, my guy? He's not amused. Oh, well, that is the YouTube embed. YouTube is streaming. That's not gonna be what I want. Now, come over here. Well, no. This guy. Sprite match will be wrong. It will be link match. Am I getting again? Not you. Just copy that. I believe that's what I had over here. Um, link tag self-closing, isn't it? Didn't I open page source somewhere? Here we go. Find me a link tag. Ah, yes. Yes. Self-closing. I feel like let me give me my chat. Uh, in HTML, can a link tag with a closing slash link? Yes. Okay, so that's what I thought. It is allowed. So, I'm gonna have to take a close look. Performance logging started. No. Love it. I'm gonna close this. Um, got to do. Um, I just, I gotta get more specific than this. Let's go to the regular expression playground. Paste this guy in here, and then I'm gonna do link route equals canonical. Route equals, oh, it could be nothing. Closing tag, so that works. And I can add the slash. I cannot put a space here though. Cannot put a space here. I don't think that would be right. Anyways, but a space here is for sure. Okay. I imagine any amount of white space is okay here. Yeah, what's my cheat sheet? I always forget. Yeah, W is word. White space is S? Yes, S, white space. So, white space, um, star, lets it be none or one or any number. You can put some tabs in here and that'll be fine. I don't think I would want a space to be possible. Like this feels wrong. If you're using XHTML, you're gonna do that or that. One of these. Maybe this if you're a freak. Um, but the point is, supposed to be able to put any number of white space in there, and that means I'm going to want that. I don't want to replace all of my spaces with that. And you know what? I'm gonna put it here too, so that you can put a space before the link if somebody so chose to style it like that. I'm being too. I really don't think I need to do this, but this should not be okay. So we turn this to a plus. That's fine. 0 is okay here. Um, let's see, right here, I said it doesn't need a space, which is probably true because of the quotes, but I am going to replace this one with a plus as well to make a space. At least one space required in between the canonical and the href. So that is really, this is what it's going to be. Did I need to do the others. Maybe. It's good to be thorough. Much more accurate. Cannot find name link match. Ah, yes. Link match equals that. Stream info. This is gonna be do that. Stream link equals link match 1 is streaming equals is streaming would be stream link dot starts with. Okay. Now we can get back to my logs. YouTube Chronicle. Maybe stream link. Do is streaming is streaming. Get rid of that. That doesn't help. And we do is streaming. Those two. I don't know. I feel like my way's better. Nah, let's stick with this. These two can be disposed of. Then we'll save that. When I start the stream, I'll check to see If I can find the stream name. Reload this bad boy. Is streaming is false. The link is the channel link. And in theory, while I'm streaming on YouTube, it will instead be this watch link. And then I also want to test out the Twitch is streaming when I'm not. So when this is over, I'm just gonna switch over to streaming on YouTube. Same username, but there's an @ symbol first, because YouTube does that. Get both these bad boys in there. Am I not streaming? Should be. Oh. I got to update the ID. This is saying that I'm not streaming. It's not updating. But now it says true. Probably also print out the let's see, Twitch is no longer printing anything, which is not what I want. Oh right, I want to test this. Let's test the words. Test the Twitch streamer widget with a title. Now we're gonna test if it is gaming with Sam. And that should be a no. Oh, yes, I forgot to add the title key. We save that, we come back. I don't like that it says true. Did I rebuild it to... Let's see. I just get the... This is close enough. Twitch widget. No, I didn't update it to accept the title. So it's down here. Um, just do that. Feels right. You never get a false. But that's because I told it to check. It was gaming with Sam, now we try coding with Sam. That's just like already, yeah, we got you, dude. Let's give it a refresh. Yeah? Right, now I want YouTube to also get is streaming spit out. Perfect. Perfect. But I need to go to the Twitch backend and just log your stream info. Yeah, I am just gonna want to see all of that. do a rebuild. Everybody happy? Looks good to me. These guys. Actually, no. Good thing I did that. I want to see. I do want to see. I'll do this first. Stream. No. Is streaming. Stream info. Is streaming. Stream title. Stream info. And then, but all I care about on YouTube really is the canonical URL for now. I thought so. It always looks like it's done, but then isn't. Okay, I think we're good now. Give this a reload. So I get my logs for both of these guys. YouTube channel canonical. Twitch says true coding with Sam. And then prints out the rest of that. Just in case, I'm also gonna do green graph dot publication. Let's do that. And now I believe I have everything ready to test switching to YouTube. So let's see. Yeah, if any of my two viewers want to follow me over to YouTube, YouTube channel is at AppArtMint, just like this channel, but there's an @ sign first. I am gonna take a tiny break before I start streaming on YouTube, where I will figure out first off how I'm gonna, or if checking the canonical URL is going to work, or wait, /live. There we go. Definitely want that in there too. So gonna make sure that that's an indicator. Let's see, SQL injection port, nice. I am on Windows, and the terminals are PowerShell. I prefer like a Unix, Linux. But for gaming, Windows wins. So my Windows computer is always more powerful than my Mac computer, so work tends to get done on the faster computer. Um, I don't know about superior. You for sure you can play the most games on Windows, that's for sure. Microsoft owning Xbox and all that. But I hear I haven't been using Linux too much recently, but I hear that the Linux uh Windows ports community with Wine has gotten really good. I'm hoping that's true for when I eventually start using Linux again. Huh. Okay, so all of this is done. I'm going to take a quick break and then start streaming on my YouTube channel under the same username. Linux distros, let's see, probably have most usage with Ubuntu, but I like using Arch as well because you get to like bring your own UI or pick your own UI, whereas Ubuntu just like, comes out of the box. What else? I know I've used others. Woo! All right, thanks for hanging out, SQL injection port. I will be on YouTube soon, and then probably whenever I'm done figuring out the is streaming function for YouTube and Twitch, I will eventually come back to continue streaming on Twitch. Maybe I should figure out how to stream both simultaneously. I bet I could do that pretty easily. I'll look into it. I'll look into it. So I will be back. Thanks for watching. If you know any tech recruiters, send them my way. Yeah. Be back.